Hi everyone, welcome to Dressytreats. Today I'll show you how to make a horse gram curry. You'll need 100 grams of horse gram, 1½ teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 cup thick coconut milk, salt, a big onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon chopped ginger, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, 3 cups water. First, wash the horse gram. Then, roast on a low flame until the color changes. After cooling, grind to slightly break the grains. Add some water. Add turmeric powder, fenugreek, curry powder, chili powder. Add the remaining water and salt. Cook it on medium heat. From time to time open the pot and mix the curry. Cook until the grain becomes soft. Add coconut milk and allow it to boil. Mix well and remove it from the stove. In another pan, heat oil and add mustard seeds. When mustard seeds pop, add garlic and ginger. Add onion and curry leaves and temper it. Add the tempered mixture to the horse gram curry. Mix well. If the curry is a bit thick, add some boiling water and mix. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.